Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how to easily copy and paste text messages on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write your comments after watching and subscribe to this channel. So friends, let us start with you. In order to copy some text, open any application from where you would like to copy this text or this text message. In my case, it's going to be Instagram. You can open, for example, a messaging app, either WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. So, look, there's a text message, and in order to copy it, first of all, you'll need to click and hold on it. And then, as you can see, you'll have this little menu like this at the bottom where you have to select copy. And now automatically that message is copied to the clipboard. And let's say if you wanted to save it and keep it, let's say in a notebook. Then you go to Notes, press and hold here, and select Paste. And as you can see, that text will be instantly inserted into your notes. Or this message, you'll have it right here at the bottom. Sort of the beginning of that message, then you can easily just click on it, and it'll automatically be inserted in your notes as well. In the same way, friends, you can not only save this message to your notes, let's say, but you can send it to someone else. To do that, you'll have to go to another social network, Messenger, or Message. Select the person you would like to write it to. And then in the message bar, also click and hold. Until you see the word Insert, click on that. And send that text message. And as you can see, that text message will be sent. Friends, with this very simple and quick method, you can easily copy and paste text messages on any iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please put your likes under the video. Also, friends, write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.